In this video, I'll show you how to calculate distance on Google Maps. Basically, a straight line on a map, exact distance between point A and B. So let's do this as our point A, Gordon Hamilton Decorator. So I'll right click here, and then I'll go ahead and click on measure distance. Okay, now we need to click on the map to trace a path where the distance we want to measure. Let's do till echoes of our Earth. So I'll click here, okay, and that will go ahead and trace a line from this point to this point, and we'll see the exact distance. So it is 448.54 feet. If you want to get rid of this, this is also in meters. This is the distance. If you want to get rid of it, just right click this, and then just click on clear measurement, and you can see the exact coordinates of both the points. Okay, so I'll clear the measurement. There we go. It's really that easy and simple.